How would you like to own a brand new home in a luxury community with a pool and a pool house, ponds, walking trails, all in the Lakota School District? It's all possible at the Towns of Fieldstone Farm, Liberty Township's best new low-maintenance townhomes. Hi, I'm Tracy. Thanks for stopping by, and let me show you around our beautiful community. Our amazing townhomes have spacious two-car garages and full basements. Inside, they're designed to make your life easier with an open concept layout. You'll love having your kitchen flow into the main living space, so you'll never miss a conversation or a scene from your favorite show. Having everything you need on the main level just makes everything more convenient, like not having to haul your laundry basket up and down the stairs. You'll enjoy your attached spa-like bath, the perfect place to relax after a long day. But the best part about living here is there's no more mowing the lawn or shoveling the snow. Spend more time doing the things you love. Not only will you love your home, but you'll also love the location. Liberty Town Center is seconds away from your door, making running errands a breeze. Premier Outlets is also just minutes away for your more ambitious shopping trips. Living at the Towns of Fieldstone Farms means staying connected to the places you love. Close highway proximity puts you downtown in minutes while avoiding Cincinnati's traffic. You'll also be close to entertainment, restaurants, and your favorite local golf courses. So what do you think? Are you ready to love where you live? Put our location in your phone, and I'll see you when you get here.